Hello, welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to attempt to do something I've not done before. So this is an experiment for me, but I wanted to film it in case it was useful to anyone else. My sister is an artist and she creates incredibly beautiful papers that she sells on Etsy. She also has a YouTube channel showing you how to do junk journaling and how to do collage art and things like that, and I've been watching her channel and I just feel inspired to have a go. It just looks like so much fun, and I've never really tried it before, and she does it all the time and the stuff she makes is beautiful, so I thought I would have a go. I wanted to make something useful though. I didn't want to just make a piece of art, I wanted to make something I could use. So I had an idea of taking this notepad, which I keep on my desk and keep all my notes in, which is ugly and boring, and turning it into something beautiful. So what I have done is taken some card from an old pizza box, and I have cut out the exact size to match this cover. I have scored along exactly where this folds, so it's the same, and then I have covered it with this beautiful paper. So I will be needing to cover this as well because I want it to be beautiful on both sides. But I thought this might be a lovely gift for someone if you're into doing collage art or scrapbooking. What a lovely gift, a handmade notebook just made out of a cheap notebook. You could personalize it and make it into something quite special. So using papers from my sister's Etsy shop and some stickers and things that she had lying around that she said I could use, I'm going to have a go at making my first collage. So let's see how this goes. I'll do it quietly and I shall speed up the video, and we'll just see where it ends up. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I don't know if I'm any good at it, but I think it would be fun giving it a try. So here we go. So I have finished both sides. I think it's looking really pretty. Not bad for my first attempt. I definitely would like to practice more. So now I want to attach it to my notepad. So I'm going to take off this one. Try and rip it gently. That came off really nicely. And then I need to stick that onto there. So I think for this, I've got with me here some Pritt stick and some double-sided tape, but I think I want to use PVA glue to make sure it's really sturdy. So I'm just going to go and find some. Okay, so I have found my glue. Put a little blob under there, stick that back there. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this whole panel. I don't have a brush, so I'm just going to use my finger and spread it out. I want a nice thick layer because I want it really stuck. But I'm not going to stick down the piece that I have scored, just the very back panel. There we are. I'm going to line that up. Make sure it's straight and that can fold over. Oh, I really like it. I really like it. Okay. Now I brought some pegs with me from downstairs to make sure that that doesn't move. I'll come back when it's dry. So here we have it, my first go at collaging using my sister's papers, and I absolutely love it. The only thing I will say is I designed this that way up. So that's something I've learned, but this was my first attempt, so I'm not going to worry too much, and it's still really nice. So some of the writing's upside down, but that's okay. And now I have myself a notepad I can keep on my desk that looks really nice and I will enjoy using. And I think actually, because it's only PVA glue, when I have finished this notepad I could probably peel it off and stick it back onto my next one. So this will be something I will keep for a long time. I made a little pocket there that I can maybe keep my tarot of the day in. I like that idea. So yeah, here we are. Please do check out my sister's page. She is much better at this than I am, and her Etsy shop has the most beautiful kits for making all sorts of lovely collages and scrapbooks and things like that. So do check her out. She's linked below. I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did. I'm going to now look around and see what else I can collage because I've enjoyed this so much.